In this video, I will show you how to create another Discord account on your PC. So first open up your end browser and just search for Discord and open up the Discord website. Now click on the login options you will see on the top. Once you are on this page, just click on register options you will see on bottom. Now simply give your email address, then type your display name, then type your username. Now simply type your password, then give your date of birth. After creating the Discord account on your web browser, just simply open up the Discord, then click on your profile, then click on switch accounts, then click on manage accounts, then click on add an account. You can simply add the account you created on your browser. Now simply type your email or type your password. As you can see, I just logged in the account I just created on my web browser. You can simply switch to another account. Click on switch account, then simply select the account you want to log in. That's how you can create another account on Discord. If you find this guide useful, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.